Enggak juga.
I want to know about your score. How many score did you got? In 50? Up to 50 atau?
Up.
Okay, good job. Berarti that means you all understand ya?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go from question number 1. Okay, you can see at the bank aktivitas. Oke, udah dilihat di bank aktivitas?
Ntar dulu.
Oke. Yeah, you can see at the bank aktivitas about the question before ya. Oh iya, for Gina, yeah, because you didn't do the tryout. Bentar ya. Wait a minute. Okay, it's okay. Okay, you can look at the bank aktivitas. Udah? Ready? Already? Okay, and then this one about conversation ya. Coba, can you guess it? What is the main idea about this conversation? They are talk about what?
About yang number 1.
Yes,
Digital literasi.
Yeah, digital literasi. That's right. Berarti there are Alex, Jordan, and Cassie have a different opinion ya. Okay, and then from question number 1, what is Alex stance on digital literacy? Coba.
It should be integrated at all educational levels.
Okay, how about other? It is same answer.
Sama tapi sama.
C, B.
Yeah.
Okay, it should be integrated at all education level. Yeah, that's right. Why? Can you give me a reason why the option B is the correct answer?
At the first sentence.
At the first sentence,
Yeah.
Who? Alex. Okay. And then in the first dialogue of Alex,
Yeah.
what Alex said?
I really think digital literacy should be integrated into every level of education.
Okay, good. Yeah, berarti this is with a synonym ya. Ini dimakanya pakai synonym. It should be integrated at all education level. Nah, actually in the question ya biasanya kayak gitu ya, kita cari sinonimnya dari sentence about the question atau dialogue or text. Jadi kita harus cari sinonimnya gitu ya. Okay, good job. Berarti the question number 1 is clear. Okay, good job. Berarti ini other. How about us? Can you answer the question number 1? It is right. Semuanya betul?
Betul.
Okay, good job. And then we gonna next to the question number 2. Let's go. It is same conversation ya, but yeah, the question is what makes Jordan and Cassie point of view different about digital literacy and critical thinking? Why? What is that?
The answer is
A, okay. Jordan believes digital literacy overshadows critical thinking, and while Cassie sees them as intertwined. Yeah. Okay, good job. And then what is the reason? Coba, can you tell me a reason?
Jordan agree sama
Digital literacy. And then how about Cassie? Cassie is not agree.
but I disagree.
Okay, what is slightly?
I don't know.
Slightly. But I disagree slightly ya. Ya, aku tidak setuju sedikit. Berarti there's all like a sedikitnya itu pasti ada agree-nya ya. Ya, berarti it's not agree, tapi I think in the middle, agree and not agree, like that, disagree. Jadi Jordan believes digital literacy overshadow critical thinking. This one in the which dialogue Jordan di di percakapan Jordan yang mana? That Jordan said before like that. One or two? Which one?
What?
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 What question? Yeah, kan Jordan believe digital literacy overshadows critical thinking, right? Yeah, and then which dialogue Jordan said like that? Di mana? Two. Yang kedua berarti that's valid.
Overshadow.
Okay, yeah, that's right. We cannot let digital training overshadow the art, physical education, and other crucial digitalization. Okay, and then how about in the Cassie? Cassie sees them as intertwined. What is intertwined?
Keduanya saling terkait itu. Jadi
Iya, saling berhubungan ya, keterkaitan. Which dialog of Cassie that Cassie said seems that them as intertwined? Dialog yang mana? Which one? Di dialog yang mana? Cassie says them as intertwined. One or two?
Yang kedua lagi nggak sih kak?
I think it's about integration yang itu.
Soalnya enggak ya.
Yeah, that's right, betul ya. Because enhancing how they are taught, not taking away from them.
Yeah.
Jadi tidak dijauhkan dengan mereka like that. Good. Berarti question number 2 is clear?
Clear.
Okay. Yeah, question number 2 berarti the correct answer is A ya. Okay, let's go to the next to the question number 3. This one is conclusion about this conversation. Okay, coba. Can you conclude what all the speaker? What is the conclusion? Yes? D. Feel digital literacy is important part of education. How about other? It is same answer?
Same.
Okay, jadi semuanya sama ya. Good job, nice. Yeah, the correct answer is D. That's right, because Alex, Jordan, and Cassie agree about the digital literacy is important for education, but they have like different opinion aja ya, different opinionnya tentang kind of digital literasinya apa aja yang bikin tidak berbeda like that. Okay, good. Berarti conclude this conversation is D. Feel digital literacy is an important part of education ya. Good. Wow, I think you are. It's nice ya, bagus sekali. Dan right now, let's go from the question number 4. This is different text, okay? Coba. What is the topic of the quote?
B.
C or B?
B. The economic impact of rising food.
Okay, the economic impact of rising fuel price. Okay, coba can you know guys, what is the main idea of this text? Apa itu? Tentang apa about this text? What is gasoline?
Gasolin itu.
What?
Gasolin itu. Bensin ada gasolin. Bensin.
Yeah, that's right. Gasoline bensin ya. Berarti, what is the main idea of this text?
As a result, the entire Philippine is affected by food price go up.
Oh, itu last sentence.
Yes.
Yeah, that's right. Jadi this text tell about if the production chain is affected when fuel price go up. Akan ada kenaikan bahan bakar ya. Jadi what is the topic of the quote? This one is
B.
B. Yeah, good job. The economic impact of rising fuel price. Yeah, price. And then why? Kenapa? Coba, can you give me a reason? Why B is the correct answer in this question? Ya, kenapa?
Masih 4 kan kak?
What?
Ya, masih yang nomor 4 kan ya?
Yeah, it's still number 4.
Ya tadi kan yang karena dia yang bagian akhirnya di teksnya.
In the last sentence.
Ya.
Ya, itu ya, ada di last sentence itu disebutkan as a result the entire production chain is affected when fuel price go up. Okay, good job. What is fuel? What is the meaning? Ya betul, fuel bahan bakar ya, bahan bakar. Good. Oke, berarti clear ya. Ini semuanya is all answer with a correct answer. Semuanya betul?
Betul.
Good. Let's go. We're gonna next to the question number 5. It is a same text like in the number 4. What is the purpose of the speaker by saying so?
A. To critique.
To criticize the
Is the participant of foreign options.
why? What is the reason?
Jadi soalnya
Ya, soalnya
Suatu kalimat.
dari sentence 2 sampai ke sentence 3.
Oke, berarti in the second sentence.
Ya, and the 3 sentence.
Okay, berarti since the president does not go to the market, he doesn't know the price of potatoes, rice, and meat have already gone up ya. Betul, berarti ini the purpose-nya to criticize the president ya. That's right, karena presiden itu tidak kurangnya pengalaman ya, kurangnya pengalaman. I think this one is ini ya, have apa? Have by case that Basel said before terbalik. By the case ya itu.
Iya.
Oke, good job ya. Berarti number 5 the question the answer is A ya, betul. And then yeah, let's go in the 6th question. Ini it is about the ini ya, journalist. Okay, what does Ibrahim Melli talk about?
C.
C.
Ya, si.
Strategies to mitigate the impact of heat waves in Pakistan.
Ya.
Okay, why? What is the reason?
Mungkin dari apa ya? Yang pertamanya yang to address rising temperatures in Pakistan itu udah nunjukin clue-nya buat jawabannya apa gitu.
Which one?
Udah
Which one?
tebak juga gitu.
Which
Yang
one?
itu to address rising temperatures in Pakistan yang paling pertama banget
Oh.
sebelum masuk ke pembahasan kata-kata si Ibrahimnya.
Okay. Okay, berarti this one is mainly talk about the strategies ya,
Yeah.
strategies to mitigate the impact of heat wave in Pakistan. Ya, that's right, good. Jadi ini untuk menangani kondisi gelombang panas ya di Pakistan, yaitu di sini ada strateginya. Dan the Ibrahim said in this text itu there are strategy about ya apa itu control about the heat wave in the Pakistan. Yeah, good. Oke, berarti clear. Question number 6.
Clear.
Ya, berarti 6 ya. And then let's go to the 7th question. What Ibrahim motivation to talk?
E.
What is
To
that?
inform the public about practical steps and preparation for heat waves.
Okay, good. How about other the same answer with Basal? Apakah sama semuanya jawab ya? Sama?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. Coba, what is the reason? I want to other people, other students say the reason why the correct answer is E. Kenapa? Coba. I want to Shiva. What is the reason about about the question number 7? Is E, to inform the public about practical steps and preparation for heat waves. Okay, I will wait for you. So, what is the reason? Yes. To inform the public about practical steps and preparation for heat waves. The reason kenapa? Gini deh. Number 7, what answer? Yeah. What did you? Lupa? Okay, kan the answer is E ya, to inform the public about practical steps and preparation for heat waves. Coba, can you tell me the reason why the option E is the correct answer? Because I cannot hear your voice. I cannot hear your voice. Does anyone want to help Shiva? Because why? Yeah, it's okay. You can say. I will help you if you have. Okay, what is that?
Karena di si tadi itu dikasih tahu apa ya kayak preparation itu tentang tsunami gitu.
Ya, gelombang panas ya, tentang gelombang panas. Oh yeah, that's right, because Ibrahim said in this text there are like some practical steps or preparation for heat waves. Jadinya the correct answer is E. Okay, thank you Zico for the answer. Betul ya. In number 7 itu the correct answer is E ya, to inform the public about practical steps. Okay. Let's go ahead right now with the question number 8. Why does Ibrahim mention architecture and design in this text?
B.
B. To suggest a one-term solution to reduce heat absorption in urban areas. To suggest. Yeah, good job ya, betul, that's right. The correct answer is a B. So Ibrahim said in this text like have a purpose ya, ada tujuannya untuk memperkenalkan praktik bangunan yang memantulkan panas dan mengurangi efek pulau panas ya. Jadi of course this one to suggest a long term. Jadi untuk jangka panjangnya ya, mengurangi panas berlebihan di kota. And then okay, how about this one, clear?
Clear.
Okay, good. And then right now, question number 7. This is about Osaskom ya.
Ya.
Okay, which one of the sentence use the correct order of adjective?
C 1 and 4.
1 and 4. Why? Wait a minute, bentar. Wait.
Senjangan
Okay, so look at this one. In sentence number 1, she wore a lovely long red dress to party. Which one is the adjective phrase in here? Yang mana kan kalimat adjektifnya di sini?
Lovely itu opinion pendapat.
Dia okay.
Opinion, terus long itu ukuran size.
Yes, and how
Terus
about?
red itu warna atau color.
Okay, that's all ya. Berarti this one adjective phrase-nya lovely long red. Okay, and then how about in the second sentence?
Nah, ini salah karena
Yeah, because
at the word large is for size ukuran, terus impressive pendapat, jadi kayak nggak berurutan ke bawah gitu.
Ya.
Salah.
the reason the opinion is must in the first ya,
Yes.
harus ada di awal sebelum size. Okay, good. Then how about the third sentence? He bought a new Victorian leather jacket.
New-nya itu age, usia berarti masih baru gitu.
Okay.
Terus stylishnya opinion pendapat.
And then what is the reason this one is not adjective phrase?
Nah,
Why?
salah karena nggak berurutan.
Ya, karena opinion ya, opinion must in the first of the sentence. And then how about in the fourth?
Gitu.
Cute.
Kiri itu opinion pendapat.
Okay.
Terus tiny ukuran atau size.
Yes.
Terus apa
Ya.
itu? Yang itu usia age.
Okay, good job. Okay, nice. Berarti this one is adjective phrase. Berarti the correct answer is 1 and 4. Because ada adjective phrase and ini ya, ini sequence of event. Jadi berurutan, saling berurutan ya. Good. Berarti C ya.
Kamu
Nice.
izin toilet.
Okay, you can. And then let's go. The question number 10. You can see this one is like a fill in the blanks ya. Kita mengisi bagian yang kosongnya. Kaisar is lyric. He can change his lyric accordingly. What is the correct answer, guys? Apa itu? A, B, C, D, or E? What is the correct answer? Yeah, you can say it's okay. Apa itu? Jawabannya yang betul?
Lupa jawabannya.
Lupa. How about others? Number berapa? Number 10. How about number 10? Coba. What is the best answer? What is the correct? Oh, gitu ya kan opening?
Wow.
Bisa lihat buka. Oh, oke. D. What is the adaptive and action? Okay, yeah, that's right. D is the correct answer ya. Why? Kenapa coba? Kaisar is adaptive. He can change his action accordingly. Kenapa yang the first sentence Kaisar is adaptive? Why is not Kaisar is adaptation? Kenapa tidak Kaisar is adaptation? Oh, tadi yang soal lagunya di situ. But you answer with the correct answer ya. Tapi kalian jawabnya dengan ini yang betul. D, because Kaisar is berarti itu tell about it is still happening ya, the event is still happening, yang sedang terjadi atau yang terjadi. Jadi of course after is itu harus adjective. Sedangkan adaptation itu noun ya, is not adjective. Jadi the best answer is adaptive. Ya, jadi Kaisar is adaptive. And then he can change his accordingly, repeat accordingly. Nah, and this one itu karena look at the hint, clue-nya itu ada di his. Of course, after his itu pasti itu using noun, oke? After his itu pakai using noun. Jadi the best answer is iya, that's right. The best answer is action. Jadi after his itu noun. Karena ini ya, yang Kaisar itu ada B-nya itu is ya. Jadi after is itu adjective, of course adaptive, and then after his itu noun, jadinya action. Kaisar is adaptive, he can change his action accordingly. Okay, how is it? Clear about the question number 10? Clear? Okay, good. We have 5 questions again. Coba, do you have any questions? Ada pertanyaan dulu sebelum I'm gonna next to the 11 question. No. Okay. Let's go look at the question number 11. This is a long text ya. This is about Greystone. Ya. Kota di Greystone. Kota Greystone. Yeah, look at the text first. Can you tell about the main idea about this text itu apa? Inti utamanya dari teks ini itu apa? What is that? What?
Lingkungan di Greystone.
Yeah, this is about environment ya, environment in the Greystone. Kemudian coba, what is the purpose of this text? Apa itu tujuannya? What is the purpose of this text? A, B, C, D, or E? What is that? Yeah, look at the question number 11. What is the best answer, guys? A, B, C, D, or E? Apa? There's no one answer my question. 11.
Apa ini? 20 menit.
Oke.